Hi, I'm Randy Alleman. I'm a commander here at the Waco Police Department, and today I wanted to talk with you about two pieces of technology and equipment that we recently acquired. They're called the automatic license plate readers, and we bought two from Bearcom. They have been installed in two of our patrol cars, and what they are, it gives us the ability to scan really hundreds of plates per shift as an officer is driving down the street. I'm going to send you out now to one of our officers who's working in the field, and he will further describe how this system works.
My name is Pedro Soto, work with the Waco Police Department. Today, we're going to take you out and show you how our new automatic license plate readers work. You have two cameras facing the front whenever you're in a traffic mode. The other two cameras are actually facing the sides. As you go through a parking lot, all you would have to do is shift which camera mode you're going to be in. In the parking mode, it actually is able to view the license plates on the back of the vehicles as you're going through. As long as they're at a certain distance and a certain level down, then you can switch back into a traffic mode as you're driving around. What we're doing here is we're going to give you an example of how the parking lot view is used in this system. You reach down here, there's a camera mode, push the button, it'll switch over to a parking view, and you'll start to see the camera's view from the side of the vehicle. What it's doing is when it takes a picture, that's the first image you'll see on top. The next image is actually the interpretation of that picture done by the computer itself. Okay. After that, it runs a records check through our TCIC and NCIC and determines whether or not the vehicle is stolen. TCIC and NCIC is the record database that we have for Texas, and a national database that stores all of our stolen vehicles, wanted people, any type of notes that need to be given to officers in regards to high-risk felony subjects. If the vehicle is stolen, we'll get an alert. You'll hear a very loud buzzing sound or an alarm to advise us that the camera has actually picked up a stolen vehicle. It will take a picture of the vehicle, so it has us up in the left corner of the screen, and show you the license plate that it took a picture of. The way the license plate reader is set up is that it has a certain area that it will cover. It will miss some of the license plates as we're passing by. Again, it is a computer, so it will have some faults to it. One of the faults that it does have is sometimes it will misinterpret a license plate, where it may take a picture of a B, and when it interprets it interprets it into an 8. So again, that's where it comes into for the officer. If he gets an alert on it, he looks at the license plate, looks at what it took a picture of, look at what it interpreted, and that's what you would confirm with dispatch to make sure that the license plate is correct. What it does is it also not only takes a picture of the license plate, but it takes a picture of the vehicle. If there is, let's say, for example, a robbery that goes out and the license plate is captured by the victim, or they're able to memorize it and give it to us, we can actually run that license plate through our administrative system, and if this system picked it up, say 3 or 4 days earlier, it will show you what the car looks like, and it will also tell you where in the area it was based on GPS location, based on a GPS coordinate. We'd actually had around 8 vehicles that had been alerted on, which were confirmed as being stolen. The system's only been up for, I think, for a couple of weeks, where actually officers are being able to use the system. So that's actually pretty good.